When it comes to organizing, you need good tools. The Gorilla Grip Wire Shelf Liner set of 4 in Rib Drawer Liner is an excellent choice. These liners are a lifesaver. Furthermore, they protect your things. Indeed, they create a smooth surface. Items don't fall through anymore. Therefore, you can store smaller items. This is a huge benefit. Moreover, the clear design is a plus. It lets you see what's on the shelf. This makes finding things easy. The strong grip is remarkable. It holds the liner in place. The liners are simple to use. Just unroll them. Place them on your shelves. They fit perfectly. They make your shelves look neat. They act as a strong foundation. This bundle is very useful. It includes liners for both shelves and drawers. The Gorilla Grip Wire Shelf Liner set of 4 in Rib Drawer Liner is a smart purchase. The Rib Drawer Liner is a game changer. It keeps your items from sliding around. Consequently, your drawers stay tidy. The ribbed pattern is not just for looks. It's a functional design. It grips items well. Hence, your tools or silverware stay put. This liner is thick and durable. It's not flimsy. It can handle heavy use. It protects your drawers from scratches and spills. This is a great feature. Additionally, the size is just right. The drawer liner measures 17.5 by 20 inches. This size fits most standard drawers. Nevertheless, you can trim it if needed. The clear color is also elegant. It blends seamlessly with any decor. This gives your drawers a clean look. The Gorilla Grip Wire Shelf Liner set of 4 in Rib Drawer Liner offers great value. Overall, this 2-item bundle is fantastic. It tackles 2 common problems. First, it stops items from falling. Second, it keeps your drawers organized. The wire shelf liners are 14x 36 inches. This is a common shelf size. The grip is like a handshake. It keeps the liner from moving. Similarly, the Rib Drawer Liner has a firm hold. It's like a soft hug for your items. This prevents a messy drawer. Both liners are easy to clean. Just wipe them down. The material is high quality. It feels sturdy. This means they will last. This bundle is a great investment. It brings order to your storage spaces. You will wonder how you lived without them. Pros: easy to cut and fit, protects shelves and drawers, clear design, looks clean, keeps items from falling through, rib texture adds cushion, versatile for multiple uses, easy to clean, waterproof and durable, simple to install. Cons: may not lay flat, difficult to cut precisely, can trap moisture. Features: set of 4 wire liners, Rib Drawer Liner 2-item bundle, clear color, matte covers 14 by 36. Wire liner size 17.5 by 20. Drawer liner size, easy to clean. This 2-item bundle includes a set of 4 Gorilla Grip clear wire shelf liners and 1 roll of clear rib drawer liner. The wire shelf liners are 14x 36 inches. Designed to create a flat, solid surface on wire shelves, while the rib drawer liner is 17.5 by 20 inches, providing a strong grip to prevent items from sliding around. Both types of liners are easy to clean and can be used as mat covers for various surfaces. The Gorilla Grip Wire Shelf and Rib Drawer Liner Bundle offers a convenient solution for protecting your shelves and drawers. The set includes 4 14x 36-inch wire shelf liners and 1 17.5 by 20-inch drawer liner, both in a clear finish. These liners are designed to keep items from falling through wire shelves and add a cushioned rib texture to drawers. While they are waterproof, durable, and easy to clean, some users may find it difficult to cut them precisely, and they might not always lay perfectly flat.